Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable lens stamps for camera mode in SJCAM C200. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings. You can check our previous video on how to enter settings on this camera. It should be linked in the description. Now we can scroll down. And at the second page we have the lens stamp. It's hidden by the sticker, sadly I can't remove it. Now click on OK, and that way you'll be able to add or remove a date and time from your photos. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.